Hey guys, for today's tutorial, it will be on the Prime Video. So what is Prime Video? Prime Video is a streaming app like Netflix, and it's where the latest TV shows and popular TV shows are watched on. So in the streaming app, you can set up a laptop profiles. So for today's video is about how to add a family member on your Prime Video. As you can see, we are in this Prime Video homepage where you can see the movies and TVs or the televisions. Then on the upper right hand, you can see the profile button. Then we will click Manage Profiles. On your Manage Profile, you will just click on edit profile or add new profile. So we will click add new profile. So just choose whether it's an adult or kid. So just put the name of your profile. Let's say it's your dad or father. Then you can choose here a picture or like put different icons. Then just click on save changes. So that's some profiles. Or you can also edit a profile. You can edit mine profile. Then profile, you can also select here different avatars as well. So that's how to add a family member. That's how simple it is to add a family member on your Prime Video account. So once again, thank you for choosing us, and please stick with us for more Amazon tutorials to come.